Are you tired of dealing with anxiety? Because I can tell you I sure as hell am. Hey, Jason here. And if you've been watching the channel, you've been seeing me go through Johannesburg, showing you how beautiful of a place it is, how great the people are here, and how safe it is here, man. Like, this is a really great modern city. And most importantly, I've been talking to you about success, what it is, and how to get it in the three areas of life that I focus on, which are happiness, health, and wealth. And so today I'm going to talk about anxiety because I think it's something that a lot of us suffer with behind closed doors. It's like one of those invisible enemies that no one sees. And I think the way to start making this enemy, this invisible enemy, more visible is start sharing more stories and like explaining to people like what is it like when I'm going through an anxiety attack? What are some of my triggers? Things like that. Because I don't think a lot of people are really aware of how much on a daily basis you can start going through an anxiety. It can cripple you from making drastic life decisions, like decisions that can really be changing the trajectory of your life. And so I think when we become aware of these, we can start understanding when is there a time to reanalyze some of these anxiety points and start getting to the goal that we want. And I think that's how we become successful, like to grow and to expand into the person that we want to become and achieve the things that we want to become mean we have to change.